How to download and install NordFX application on your laptops or PCs. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to install the NordFX application on your laptop or your PC, all you need to do is to go open up a web browser and then type in nordfx.com in it. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of NordFX. Go ahead and sign into your NordFX account by entering your credentials, and once you do, you'll see this pop up where it says install. Once you click on the install button, you'll see the pop up where you see the install button. Just click on it one more time, and then you'll be able to get this client area for NordFX. You can also create a desktop shortcut for it by clicking on this button. I'm not gonna auto start on device login, not right now. And now if you want to pin it to taskbar, go ahead and check this one. You can also pin it to your start button. Once you are done with it, click on allow, and even after you turn off this website version of the app, you will see this client version, and there you have it. That's how you download the NordFX application on your Windows or your PCs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.